Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to delete WhatsApp account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily delete your WhatsApp account permanently. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'm teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now that wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store or your App Store, and then make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. So if you're using WhatsApp Business, you need to make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version, or the WhatsApp that we're using is updated to the latest version, so that you don't miss some new features. Now once you have updated your WhatsApp, just open your WhatsApp over here. Once you open your WhatsApp, you can see at the upper right corner, you can see the three lines over here. Just click on that, and once you click on that, you can see settings. Just click on settings, and once you click on settings, you can see over here account. Just click on account, and you can see delete my account. Now once you click on delete my account, it will ask you to confirm your number. So let me enter my number. You can see my country, I'm in Ghana, and then my number. So let me enter my number with the country code. The country code is already there, so just enter your number. So now once you have entered your number, all you need to do is to, let me change the number. Now once you have entered your number, all you need to do is to click on delete my account. And once you click on delete my account, you can see over here, we hate to see you leave. Tell us why you are deleting your account. So select the first option, so you can choose any of them, and it is asking you to write something, so you can see how can we improve. It is optional, so just skip that and then click on delete my account. Now you can see proceed to delete your account. Now if you want to delete your account, all you need to do is to click on proceed, and then that's it. By proceeding, your account will be deleted permanently. But now I don't want to delete my account, so I will just leave it like that. I just did it for this tutorial. So all you need to do is to click on delete my account at the last end, and then delete your account. With this, you can delete your WhatsApp account permanently. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a new